Hello, good morning everybody. I am Shubhendu Nashkur from team 1331010 of FDP 201X. Now in next few minutes I'll be explaining how a student can access different components of this course. Once the student log in through by using the user ID and password obtained through email-based registration process, he will be entering in this page. This is the home page of this course. In the list of available courses, here is the course Open Education Resource Basic Coordination Chemistry. So the student should click here. It will bring him inside the course. Now let's see the composition of this course. This course is composed of this is a 4-week course. So each week has few general components, like as resource. Each week has resource. Lecture 1 in the first week. Here is the YouTube video for the lecture, and here is the lecture. This is the PowerPoint presentation of that same lecture. Additionally, an LXT has been provided here, which is an NPTEL video related to this particular topic. In the first week there is quiz 1. This quiz is based on the resources discussed on the topics discussed in lecture 1. Next, come to second week. Here it also consists of the second topic, nomenclature of the coordination compounds, with the LXT and quiz 2. In third week there is the lecture as a resource and the corresponding quiz. In the fourth week it has the lecture and the survey of the overall course. Now in the first week there is a discussion forum for basic coordination chemistry. This forum will be used for all the purposes, for all the discussion on all the topics in this course. So the discussion forum has been created only in the first week, but it will serve as the discussion forum of the overall course. Now at first the students should enter into the announcement section. Here the topic given was the introduction and the time schedule of the course. Here is a brief introduction targeting how the course has been, how the strategy has been taken place, has been adapted in terms of implementing the flipped classroom. This is for the out of class activity. So here is the due date of the quizzes and survey to be submitted. Next, he should again come back to the course page, and to study or see the resource of lecture 1, he can either enter here in the lecture 1 Introduction to Coordination Chemistry. It's an YouTube video
the course Basic Coordination Chemistry. I am Shubh Naskor
he can
from team
listen this one
010 of FDP 2018.
or
here I am going to present.
You can also follow the Introduction to Coordination Chemistry PPT file. So when he clicks here, it opens in this way. This PowerPoint slides has been provided to download so that the student can also work offline. So this will be his this will be his stock material. He can use it whenever he wants. He can study this whenever he wants. Okay, next he can also follow the learning extension of lecture 1 by clicking here. He will enter into the NPTEL video for this course. Okay, so it will explain the related topic. Next, here is the quiz part. He can enter here. To attempt the quiz, he can enter here. So this is, it shows that this quiz has been closed on 10th June. So this is, for example, the restriction was set on dates, on due date. It will be available until certain date. For this, the date is 10th June, so he cannot access anymore this quiz. So next, let's go to the course page again. Here, in the next week, second week, similarly he can enter inside the YouTube video for the lecture or the YouTube video, NPTEL video for the LXT, and he can come here in quiz 2. Okay, so in quiz 2 now he can check this. He can check this because I have tried once previously. So and login through same ID. Therefore, it is not active. But when a student login through his own user ID and password, then there a icon will come saying icon will come with the attempt quiz tag. So when he clicks that there, then the window for attempting the quiz will open up, and he can it is a time-based quiz, so he will have to I think, yes, the time limit here is 15 minutes, so he will have to complete everything within 15 minutes, otherwise it will be blocked. So and finally submit the quiz. Okay, now let's go again to this course page, and then if I enter into the quiz of the third week, see here, so it shows that the quiz is not currently available, so it will come after 15th June. Therefore, again the bar will come after 15th June when he clicks here. Okay. And then he will click on the button attempt quiz. then he can complete that activity. So these are the components. The resource, basically resource and quiz are the quiz is the activity part, and resource is a general part which you need to study first and then attempt the quiz. Let's enter into the discussion forum for basic coordination chemistry. So here the focus question setup is how Alfred Werner solved the riddle of bonding in coordination chemistry. So he can go there and post his message over there with the same topic, or he can start a new topic of his own choice. Now this is the survey part, which is available at the end of this course, in the last week of the course itself, and it has a due date of 28th June. So he will have to complete it within the due date. There are the questionnaires where he can choose according to his choice, according to his preference, with all these questions. So in this way the student can access different components of this course. Hope now this is clear to all of the participants who are going to be an active learners or active participants in this course. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.